All actors shown in all videos are aged 18 or over. Content is intended for research, education, and entertainment purposes. All videos are in accordance with applicable local laws where filmed, and all acts are performed within the guidelines of the Misuse of Drugs Amendments Regulations 2018. This video is in no way a recommendation or endorsement of actions taken by the actors. All acts performed by a professional. Do not try this at home.
This joint I just rolled, it's rolled okay, you know. Of some pink kush. Let me just move the camera back. Of some pink kush, got a cup of tea. And this is just my waking rate. Just woke up, so yeah. It's like, well, I didn't just wake up. I woke up like 40 minutes ago. It's like 11:30 now. So let's get this thing sparked. Go. There we go. Got the cherry all lit up. Don't want no runs. Make sure it's well lit and shit. So yeah, I've been smoking this pink kush for a few weeks. It's been pretty good, you know. I do like my kush flavors. Great tubs. I just don't. I can't use plastic grinders. I just can't do it. I just a fear. I have like a fear of just not noticing a bit of plastic that's broken off in the grind and then just smoking some glass. Not glass, plastic, bro. That shit sounds horrible. Man, smoking a shard of plastic. That shit cannot be good for you. I don't want any like plastic going near my bud, bro. If I can help it. I can't rationalize using a plastic grind even though I know it gives a better grind. I just use my little Rick and Morty. It's like a flour mill style. It's got like a Keith capture. I quite like it. Quite a nice grind. It's quite fluffy, you know. I quite like that fluffiness it gives. Joy is hitting right now. Oh tits. Well, yesterday I wasn't able to leave my house because of the storm. I think it's mainly just in the north where I live at the moment. Oh shit, need to get this shit relit. Look at that shit, yo. Ayy. Resin on my teeth. This shit's sticky, yo. Very sticky. Look at that shit, yo. Honestly, for now I'm gonna call it.